Artie. I, JB, will promise to be a great husband, brother, and son to our new family. I will be the first and last person to see the sunset on different horizons with you. Every language, every conversation, and every rush of adrenaline, I will be your voice. People told us that distance will always be an issue, but we proved them wrong. As long as we share the same sky, we also share the same destiny. My voice will reach you every morning, greeting you and reminding you how far we have gone together. I will be your warmth whenever you gaze at the stars. Our love and passion will be the dance floor as the rhythm of the earth beats. This will be my permanent decision for my permanent emotion the moment you said yes.
JB, I am so happy that after exploring the world of finding my soulmate, I finally found the one who captured my heart. I love you, and today is a very special day. Long ago, we were just a dream and a prayer. Thank you for being what you are to me, with our future as bright as the promises of God. I will care for you, honor and protect you. I will lay down my life for you and my friend and my love. You know me better than anyone else in this world, and somehow you still do manage to love me. You are my best friend and one true love. There is still a part of me that today I cannot believe that I'm the one who gets to marry you. Babe, I promise to honor you for the rest of my life. Today, we will grow in unity. Today, together, we will fulfill our dreams. I will be the best husband, best friend, and I will help you become the person God wants you to be. I love you so much.
And Mary, you don't have to apologize for getting emotional. We're getting married. Then tonight, before your friends and your family, you are given each to the other for better or for worse, for richer or for poor, sickness. Now, if I could have the rings, please.
Umiiyak din ni Rindira eh.
Now, these rings that the two of you are both exchanging, they're a symbol of this love. You each just promised to one